Okay, so I'm doing this with my phone, so sorry if it jogs around a little. So you go to the link that I gave you, and then you click on this View Images button, this yellow button. It'll take you to a little map screen. Search for your city or whatever you want. So, just type in Dowagiac, Michigan. So here you are in Dowagiac. Zoom out a little bit so you can kind of see where we are. Here's the tribe's property. We're just going to zoom in on the Rogers Lake area. You then want to click on the left-hand side here on this compare button. And then this little slider emblem. And you'll notice the options on the sides both changed. You can look at topo maps. You can look at the atlas, which is what you got here. But the thing that I really like the most is the aerials. And so I always like to pick 2020. Here's your slider bar. So that's your slider division right there. And then on the other side, you can pick whatever aerial you want. For the Rogers Lake area, you can go back as far as 55. Now this is a paid website, so you're going to have these watermarks. So it's not the greatest for like taking pictures and whatever. But if you just want to look at it and see what's different from the past to today, this is pretty nice. So, here's all the tribal offices right here, and we can zoom in so you have a better look, because it'll move that watermark around based on how far in you're zoomed. So right now this is all 2020. You go back to 55 and there's obviously nothing there. So Jerry might find interesting, here's the campground area right through here to give you a sense of where this image is taken. The trails in the woods go through here. Back in the 50s, that whole area back behind the campground was much more open. Presumably they logged it because this is all high ground. Maybe they were grazing it. Maybe they were farming it, whatever. And here's the gravel pit that I mentioned. Not as much water over there as there is now when they've mined all that gravel out and changed the topography. So anyway, yeah, that's what you get. Let me know if you got questions.